The TV teacher presents Let's Draw. Go on a fun adventure and then draw it with Miss Marnie. We motivate kids to draw creative pictures.
We're gonna go bowling. Come on, this is gonna be fun. Well, there you are. Welcome back. Now let's think back so we can draw our adventure. Where did we go? Think back. The bowling alley. Let's draw it. All right. Time to draw our bowling alley. Remember to use your choppers. Here's the bowling lane. Here's the lights. Almost done. What a fun day! What a fun picture. Hello! Welcome to my backyard. Look at these gorgeous flowers I just got from my gardening box. Let me show you what's growing in the garden. And now for the finishing touch. I'm gonna water the flowers. Remember, they need plenty of water to grow. Let's go have some fun. What does that sound like? A sheep. We saw a sheep. All right, let's make our sheep. He was so cute. He had a big, fluffy coat. Coloring is so good for your hands. Hello! Welcome to my kitchen. My hands are washed and I've got everything out for us to bake. We're gonna make banana muffins today, so we're gonna mix this all up. Mix, mix, mix. Stir, stir, stir. Banana muffins. That was such a fun adventure. These smell delicious. I can't wait to try one. Hey, does anybody else want one?
I'll take one.
Me too.
Oh, yeah.